What was the first business you first ever stepped into as a CEO or founder? And what was that process like from going from a PAYG employee to an employer? How was that process like, that transition like for you?
Scary. So it was 2010, and I had been the chief financial officer of a company that was listed on the stock exchange here in London. We had done a big M&A transaction in the spring of 2008 and put these two companies together, and we ended up being a business with operations in 23 countries around the world. We went out to the stock exchange and raised money to do the transaction, came back to the markets after and said, look, we've done everything that was set out in the prospectus. Everything's looking good. We've done all the stuff we said we were going to. And then a week later, Lehman Brothers went bust and the whole global financial crisis hit, and 6 months and 4 profit warnings, the chief exec got fired and a new guy was brought in. I mean, it wasn't the chief exec's fault, but somebody had to go. And they brought in a new guy, and he and I just didn't get on at all. So I thought, okay, if there's a boardroom fight, I know I'm going to lose. So I took time and thought, what do I want to do? And I decided I wanted to follow my passion. And I spent a lot of time talking to friends and family, and it boiled down to one of two things, either music or wine. And my then teenage daughters said, Dad, you're too old for the music business, but wine would be perfect. So I went to night school and got my wine trade qualifications and thought, hey, I've got a great little black book with lots of contacts of people who make lots of money. Sure, they'll buy wine from me. And they didn't. And it was a rude awakening. But, sometimes you have to have rude awakenings to get through and go deep and come out stronger the other side.
Well, it's quite amazing listening to you say that.